नमस्ते ट्रेडर्स, आप सबका स्वागत है आफ्टर आवर्स विद बेरीज। बैंक निफ्टी बहुत ही साइडवेज तो है ही है, और अगर आप इसमें कोई ट्रेड लेने जाओगे, अगर एक ऑप्शन बायर, तो आई एम प्रीटी श्योर यू विल बर्न योर हैंड्स। ऐसा नहीं बोला कि एक रेंज ट्रेडर इसमें पैसा नहीं बना सकता, पर रेंज ट्रेडिंग के लिए एक माइंडसेट लगता है जो मुझे भी लाने के लिए, डेवलप करने के लिए अभी, मतलब बिकॉज मार्केट रेंजेस में तो एक थोड़ा हेल्प हो रहा है और मैं थोड़ा बहुत ट्रेड कर पा रहा हूँ। अगेन यू कैन बी वेटिंग फॉर अ बिग ट्रेंड डे दैट हैपेंस, अपने पोजीशन लिया और आप बोलोगे कि एक पूरा ट्रेंड मिलेगा, नहीं। जब तक अभी एक, मतलब मैं यहाँ पे कोई सेटअप फोर्स नहीं करने वाला। ये रेंज बहुत एविडेंट है, मतलब ये इधर तो कोई कोई टेक्निकल एनालिस्ट भी नहीं रहेगा तो ये बोल देगा कि ये रेंज में है। तो एक यहाँ पे सबसे बेटर रहेगा कि एक ऑप्शन बायर है तो आप प्लीज साइडलाइंस हो जाइए, मतलब ऑन सिट ऑन द साइडलाइंस। एटलीस्ट इंडेक्स में स्टॉक स्पेसिफिक मूव्स श्योरली मिल रहे हैं, पर इंडेक्स तो मैं तो नहीं बोलूंगा कि हाथ लगाए। मैं तो इनफैक्ट बोलूंगा कि ये लेवल अभी जो 41,000 है, इनफैक्ट 41,000 ब्रेक होने दीजिए ऑन अ डेली टाइम फ्रेम, फिर जाके अगर ट्रेंड एस्टेब्लिश हो रहा है तो नेक्स्ट डे देख सकते हैं। मैं ऐसा भी नहीं बोलूंगा कि अर्ली क्लोजिंग पे भी, क्योंकि क्या होता है ना, रेंजेस पे पूरा अर्ली क्लोजिंग भी नीचे दे देगा और पूरा रिवर्स होके वो अपर लिमिट ऑफ द रेंज टेस्ट कर देगा, और आप बोलोगे कि ये तो स्टॉप लॉस हिट कर दिया, मैं तो क्या मार्केट है, और ऐसा ऐसा। तो इट्स बेटर वेट फॉर अ डेली क्लोजिंग, बीट दिस लेवल, और मैं इनफैक्ट इधर भी 42,000 के ऊपर, तब तक फॉर मी इट्स अ नो ट्रेड जोन। 42,000 के ऊपर क्लोजिंग चाहिए डेली में, या 41,000 के नीचे क्लोजिंग चाहिए डेली में। देन आई विल सी नेक्स्ट डे कि अगर मार्केट वही डायरेक्शन में चले रहे हैं, क्योंकि रेंजेस ब्रेक होते हैं तो जनरली रिटेस्ट भी नहीं मिलता है, एंड they are an explosive move, but that's okay, I'm ready to lose that, क्योंकि मुझे मुझे समझेगा कैसे कि रेंज ब्रेक हुई है। वो जब भी वो ब्रेक हो रही है तो तभी कोई बता नहीं सकता, और जो ट्रेडर बता सकता है वो उसके पास है, मतलब कुछ तो भाई, हाँ, भगवान का हाथ है। मैं तो वेट करूंगा फॉर डेली क्लोजिंग। सो बेसिक सिंपल नो ट्रेड जोन बोथ द इंडेक्सेस। निफ्टी में भी मतलब मैं दिखा देता हूँ, पर वही वही हालात है इधर। ठीक है, एक ट्रेंड लाइन टूटी है, पर अभी इधर में निफ्टी में अगर लेवल ही देखना है तो मैं ये लेवल है जो अभी 17,650 के नीचे तक, आई एम प्रिटी श्योर ये रेंज ही रहेगी। तो इंडेक्स में और कुछ है नहीं बताने की जैसा, तो आई डोंट वांट टू वेस्ट टाइम। हम लोग ने कोई स्टॉक्स इसलिए ढूंढ के रखे। गंदर, वुड यू लाइक टू टेक इट अहेड?
Yes, sure. Let's see TCS first, क्योंकि
या
इंडेक्स का एक बड़ा स्टॉक है दो. On an intraday basis today it closed how much down? 1.56% down.
या
It has retraced to a sort of buy zone that you can see here, and this is a classic case of support turned resistance turned support again. So
या
definitely a good level where a lot of trading happens. तो ये एक अच्छा लॉन्ग सेटअप यहाँ पे बन रहा है, और क्योंकि वो एक डाउनवर्ड ट्रेंड लाइन भी ब्रेक किया है तो इट लुक्स लाइक नाउ वट एवर द सेलिंग प्रेशर वाज इज बीइंग टेकन केयर ऑफ. तो ये यहाँ पे प्रॉब्लम देने की बहुत ज़्यादा पॉसिबिलिटी नहीं है. सो टीसीएस एक अच्छा लॉन्ग सेटअप बन सकता है. अगर ये नीचे भी आता है जोन के अंदर भी तो स्टिल इट कैन बी अ वेरी गुड
यस
सेटअप. एंड
यस
someone who's selling options, I think 3,400 put, we are only 10 days away from the expiry, so that can
कैन बी अ
also,
गुड
yeah, that can also be a good risk reward trade here. uh, Going to the next one, which was the next one we had,
आईजीएल आईजीएल।
IGL. Yes, IGL. And yeah, in IGL also, as you can see, upward sloping trend line है और एक sort of resistance से reject हुआ है. लेकिन अगर आपको retracement मिलता है 420 level, 410 level, तो I think it can be a good long, since for I think more than a year IGL has been sideways. uh,
यस
yes, 2022 के स्टार्ट से IGL जो एक रेंज में है वो अभी तक उसने ब्रेक नहीं किया है. तो I think going ahead this can also give a good
बी
up move.
परफॉर्म।
Yes, it can.
For a breakout trader, one can wait to break above 455 or 460. I have to add some buffer. But
Yes,
as we do, I would like to add on the dip. In fact, this 410 level should work. If you see, there are lower lows that have been formed, and that is the reason I am thinking
higher
now. This
lows.
it's yeah, sorry, higher lows. Thank you. I always fumble with that. Higher lows being formed,
Hmm.
and that is where something I think this is getting ready for the next afternoon. Surely it can consolidate more. If it consolidates more, it's better, because the
Yes.
bigger the move it will be.
Yes. You need, the longer a stock waits for investors to pile in, the up move is a lot better. That's
Yes,
what usually
yes.
is said in uh, conventional technical analysis, and it's not entirely wrong either. And the last stock, which was from, I don't remember the
I
last one.
also forgot. I also forgot. That's okay.
Yeah,
I think it is in Indraprastha Gas, and
IGL this, and wasn't HDFC
I
Life
can
or anything.
I can go through my list if you
Just
want.
I'm just checking. Just a second.
Yeah.
Bandhan was it? No, Bandhan. We said we will
Bandhan
not. Yeah.
Bandhan ke niche I think one more.
We had in our screener, whereas Bandhan gone now. I am not used to using this.
And guys, we are not showing the screener because it is proprietary.
Yeah, it is, and
And
it
that
is.
is
Petronet we already
soon
discussed. IGL we already Petronet.
Petronet.
Yes. Hmm.
Yeah, because I had
There
Mega
it
as
is.
market.
Yeah.
Yes.
And as again you can see, this is the double bottom pattern made
Yeah.
along with a sort of downward trend line that was
Yeah, sort
broken.
of.
Yeah, sort of. I mean, it's not perfect, but you can gauge the sentiment that that trend line was
Yes.
broken. And though Petronet corrected quite a while in the a week before last, it recovered all of that, and it might just retest the level which is 215, 16, that sort of level. I
Yeah,
think
yeah,
it
yeah.
can test. As you can see behind it has acted as a support, so that's a good level to look out for if it holds. Though RR SL थोड़ा नीचे रखना पड़ेगा, somewhere below 205,
Yeah,
206. So for a
yeah.
larger SL, go with smaller quantities is what I would suggest. So that's the trade in Petronet LNG. uh, I mean, for both of us, it's not the best of the times to trade. I'll tell you why. Kshitij wants a market which is trending, and I want a market which is not trending. And though on a larger time frame, current market does not trend anywhere, the intraday moves are so large that the stop losses on the options get hit. So it's very
Yes.
difficult to sell options in such markets because ek to you don't get premiums. So it's not like you are getting 70 rupees premium and you're putting 20 rupees stop loss. You're getting 50 rupees premium on which you have to put only 10 rupees stop loss or even 8 rupees stop loss, which gets hit
Yeah.
and the market reverses. So over the past 2-3 expiries, I have seen the option that was at 4 rupees or at 2 o'clock went up to 40 rupees at 2:30 and went back to 2 rupees at 3 o'clock. So it's really difficult to even sell options, though there is a strategy which I got the idea from a trader on Twitter, and I sort of tweaked it a little, and that seems to be working fine, where I sell options in Nifty and buy hedges in Nifty Bank rather, because there is at least in theory 60% correlation between two indices. Those of you who
Yeah.
are really interested in all the nerdy statistics, there is 60%, theoretically 60% correlation between Nifty Bank and Nifty Financial Services. So rest you can work it out with an Excel sheet. I think that is a hint enough. One
Yeah.
interesting event that we are watching is the inflation rate that will come, because last month's inflation came below the expectations. Now again, we are expecting a little higher inflation as compared to last month, but since the policy rates have increased, our RBI governor increased our interest rate policy rates by 25 basis points already. So I think even if the inflation is on a little higher side, the increased policy rates should cover that. That should not be too much of a problem. But still, it's an RBI event, so of course we need to keep an eye on it. And I think, do we have we missed anything? Anything still now in our watch
No,
list here?
because the market, I'm no nothing, and I want to tell the viewers that this month, till the time the markets don't break the range, don't just try and keep burning your hands. In fact, I was telling Andar that I might look into stocks more now this month because I'm pretty sure index is going to be very difficult to trade. So that's
Yes.
my outlook. There are people killing it in the
Hmm.
market, making money in this market also. But for me, it's not something that suits my personality, I guess. So
Hmm.
I'm going to stay away from indexes till the time the ranges are not broken.
Yep. And I think that kind of sums up both of our outlooks in terms of where the index goes. Tomorrow is the Nifty expiry, so definitely after the tomorrow's After Hours with Bereez will have an analysis of how we traded that expiry. So guys, thanks for tuning into After Hours with Bereez. Make sure you like this video, share it with your friends and family, subscribe to our YouTube channel, press the bell icon so that you get notified every time we upload a new video. Thanks for watching.